I have such a surprise for you. You guys. I'm kidding. I got a Chewy Cam. I did. Are you ready? I have a Chewy Cam. Let's check in on Chewy, guys. Oh! Yep, Chewy is having some quiet moments.
And like I think this is called a Gonglin. But yeah, it's a light. It's like what?
In like. Okay, Chewy wants to make an appearance. Here, Chewy.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah. All right. We have one more round. Right?
He looks like he's like.
We have
what's going on
Just so you know, the score.
Since the end of the show, you see his face. Like, yep, he's awake, guys. There he is. He's napping. Tom is going to be so happy. He's facing the camera. Oh, I don't like his eyes open. That's not a good sign. This is something that helps Chewy to.
Oh, no wonder he's going to sleep there.
Yeah, it's a quiet moment. Chewy is like, woohoo! Like he is so. You're very okay. Oh, God.